Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, we're going to do part 3 of our personalized baby blanket, where we'll be sewing it all together and finishing it up. So let's get started. So I have my personalized Minky Dot Fabric right side up, and then I place my sublimated Minky fabric right side down, so right sides are touching. And I am just going to wiggle it around until I find the perfect placement. I want a little bit of an edge of the gray Minky fabric to give myself a little grace because it is a little tricky sewing with Minky. And then we're just going to pin all the way around. Of course, I poked myself, so I had to make sure I wouldn't bleed all over the blanket. And then I'm just continuing to pin and pin and pin. And I'm going to leave a little spot opening, probably around 6 inches or so, so I can turn it inside out. And then we're just going to keep on pinning all the way around. All right, now that we have it all pinned, we are going to sew. So I'm going to take it, I like to sew with the Minky Dot side down. Minky can be super slippery, so you can use a walking foot, but I'm just using a regular presser foot here. And I'm using, I'm lining up the presser foot. I think it's 1/2 inch seam allowance, or I just used the edge of the presser foot as my guide. Some people like to sew right against the edge, like a 1/4 seam allowance, but I just prefer to give myself some grace, so I used 1/2 or 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I'm just going all the way around, and I pivot at the corners. And just making sure to take it through with kind of like my hand. You see how I'm pushing it with my hand gently, just guiding it along. Minky can be a little slippery, again, and a little tricky, but you can do it. Just pin, look at all these pins. Pin very well, and it will be a breeze. And so I'm stopping. That's where I'm going to back stitch for my opening. And then I'm going down about 6 to 8 inches, and I'm going to start again, making sure to back stitch. And I'm just going to finish sewing along the blanket. Okay, now that we finished sewing, we're going to take all the pins out. So now that all the pins are out, we are going to turn it right side out and see how it looks. Alright, so now we're going to go around and do a top stitch and make sure to tuck in that opening so that way it closes the blanket completely. So we're going to pin again. I hope you like pinning because Minky blankets take a lot of pinning. And we're just going to make sure all the corners are kind of edged out and nice and rectangular. And we're just going to go all around the blanket and get ready for our top stitching. Now we're going to sew, and as you can see, I used the gray thread in my bobbin because I like to sew with my Minky Dot side down, and then I have white thread on the top, so make sure you coordinate your threads appropriately. And I'm just going through again using my, I think, 1/2 inch seam allowance, just using the edges of the presser foot as my guide. A lot of people, like I said, do the 1/4 inch, but I prefer 1/2 inch to give myself a little grace. I'm not super skilled as a sewist or a seamstress, so 1/2 inch seems to help me. So that is it. We have finished our personalized baby blanket with the embroidered Minky Dot on the front. Looking so beautiful. Look at that big font. And then we have our personalized sublimated Minky blanket on the back. And I will link to both of those videos below, part 1 and part 2. And these blankets are just so adorable and cute. They make perfect baby shower gifts or to add them to your Etsy shop. I know they'll be a great seller, and I can't wait to see all the ideas that you guys come up with. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you here. Bye for now.